Hey everyone, it's M and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately because I want to know more about coding. Therefore, I make this video, or we can say short presentation, about a beginner's guide to building a fun project. The content will be, welcome to the world of coding. What is coding? Why learn to code? Getting started. Tools and resources. Building a simple website using HTML and CSS. Create a calculator using JavaScript. Write a program that generates random quotes or jokes using Python, and the last one will be conclusion. Welcome to the world of coding. Welcome to the exciting world of coding. As a beginner, you're about to embark on a journey that will challenge and reward you in countless ways. Coding is the process of creating instructions for computers to follow, and it's used to build everything from websites to mobile apps to video games. In this presentation, we'll introduce you to the basics of coding and provide you with an example project that you can start working on right away. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a better understanding of what coding is and how you can get started on your own coding journey. What is coding? Coding is the process of creating instructions for computers to follow. These instructions are written in programming languages, which are made up of specific syntax and rules. When a program is run, the computer reads these instructions and follows them to perform a specific task. Think of coding like writing a recipe. Just as a recipe tells you how to make a meal step by step, code tells a computer how to perform a task step by step. With coding, you have the power to create anything you can imagine. Learning to code opens up a world of opportunities. It's a valuable skill that can lead to high-paying jobs in fields like web development, software engineering, and data science. But even if you don't plan on pursuing a career in coding, learning to code can help you develop problem-solving skills and boost your creativity. Coding is also a fun and rewarding hobby. With coding, you can create your own websites, games, and apps. You can also contribute to open-source projects and collaborate with other coders around the world. The possibilities are endless. To get started with coding, you'll need a few basic tools. First, you'll need a computer or laptop. You'll also need a text editor, which is a program that lets you write and edit code. Some popular text editors include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. Next, you'll need to choose a programming language to learn. Some popular languages for beginners include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are also many online resources available for learning to code, such as Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Udacity. These platforms offer interactive tutorials and exercises that make learning to code fun and engaging. Now that you have some basic tools and resources, it's time to start working on a project. For this example project, we'll show you how to build a simple website using HTML and CSS. HTML is a markup language used to create the structure of a web page, while CSS is used to style the page and make it look visually appealing. By the end of this project, you'll have a basic understanding of how HTML and CSS work together to create a website. To use this example, there is files available to download from the description link. Save the index.html file and style.cas file in the same directory or folder. Then, open the index.html file in a web browser, and you should see a simple website. Feel free to modify the HTML and CSS code to customize the website. In this example project, we'll show you how to create a calculator using JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used to add interactivity to websites and web applications. By the end of this project, you'll have a basic understanding of how JavaScript works and how you can use it to create simple programs. You'll also have a functional calculator that you can use for basic math calculations. To use this calculator, save the file in the description link, an example project calculator using javascript.zip, and then extract the file in the same folder or directory. Then, Open the index.html file in a web browser, and you should see a simple calculator interface. Please note that this calculator performs calculations using the eval function, which evaluates JavaScript code. While it provides a simple implementation, it's important to exercise caution when using eval with user-generated input in a real-world application to prevent potential security vulnerabilities. For this example project, we'll show you how to write a program that generates random quotes or jokes using Python. Python is a popular programming language used for web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. By the end of this project, you'll have a basic understanding of how Python works and how you can use it to create simple programs. You'll also have a fun program that generates random quotes or jokes to share with your friends. In this program, we define two lists: quotes containing some inspirational quotes and jokes containing some jokes. The random.choice function is used to select a random quote or joke from the respective list. The generate_random_quote function returns a random quote, and the generate_random_joke function returns a random joke. Finally, we print a randomly generated quote and a randomly generated joke using the defined functions. When you run this program, it will output a random quote and a random joke each time you execute it. Feel free to add more quotes or jokes to the respective lists to expand the collection. Congratulations! You've completed this introduction to coding for beginners. By now, you should have a better understanding of what coding is, why it's important, and how you can get started on your own coding journey. Remember, the key to becoming a great coder is to keep learning and practicing. There are countless resources available online to help you improve your skills and develop new ones. So don't be afraid to try new things and keep pushing yourself to learn more.